Everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can unlink your email from Snapchat. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to go onto Snapchat, okay? And then from Snapchat, you're going to go onto, this is the Snapchat. You're going to go onto your bits emoji from the top left corner, okay? And from the top left corner, you're going to click onto settings. Now, from settings, you have an option called email, okay? Now, one thing you need to know is you can't just basically remove your email and then that's it, now I don't have my email, and I go back, the email is going to still be here. What you can do is actually just change this email to another email. So basically, I'm going to change this to another email. Just Snapchat doesn't give you an option for you to completely remove the email. So once you just change it, you're going to click on save, and once you click on save, it's going to ask you for a password. Now, once you've done the, once you've put the email, it's going to ask you to verify your email. You're just going to go onto your inbox. As you can see, I just received an email over here. Confirm your email address. You're going to go and you're going to confirm your email address from there. Basically, this was how you can change your email. I've unlinked my old email now, and I'm going to relink the email that that I want to use on Snapchat. So yeah, there is no way just to completely remove the email. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.